All right then. So far we successfully finished the main UI part and everything. Now we have to display that the similar post. Okay, we need to show the suggestions for the users. So the similar kind of templates. So let's go ahead and do that. So what we have to do is this UI, where is the grid is being completed. So this is the place where the grid is being completed. This complete stuff. So right after this grid, enter. I'm going to show the suggestions for similar templates. So I'm going to create a div. For that div, it's going to be width. Of course, it's going to be full, and padding top and bottom, it's going to be 8. This space, let's increase the space top and bottom, and flex column item starting position, and justify the content in the starting position, and the gap between is 4. And I'm going to say get that paragraph tag and say you might also like. We have to display this. So this needs to be rendered. When it's need to be rendered, only if the template's length is greater than 0, right? Only if the template's length is greater than 0, then only we have to get that template's length over here. So all right, so let's do that. So let's say templates. We need to get that complete templates, use templates. Yep, this is supposed to be templates. Sorry, my bad. If the templates dot length is greater than 0, then render this. All right, so now it will display the text over here, and let's start class name, which is going to be text LG, font semi-bold, text txt dark, text dark. And right after this paragraph tag, I'm going to create one more division, the place where we're going to bring that grids and everything. So width full, grid column 1 on the small devices, from the large devices on the grid column 2, and from the 2 XL devices grid column 4. This is going to be 3, but on the medium devices grid column 2. Right after here, gap between everything is going to be 2. Enter. So this is the place where we need to render the template. So the place, just like the way how we display the content inside the home container. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to copy from this React fragment to paste it over here, and let's bring the animate presence templates.map, and let's bring the template design pin, import it. That should fix the issue. Here we go. Okay, but now what we need to do is, so it is displaying all the templates. I need to ignore this particular ID. This particular ID needs to be ignored. So except that, I need to display it over here. So before mapping it, I don't need to check one more time because I'm already checking it over there. So let's remove it. Here, before mapping it, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the filter method with the templates. I'm going to use the filter method, filter, and over here I'm going to get the every single template from here, and I'm going to check that temp dot underscore ID should not be equals to data question mark dot underscore ID. Now that particular ID will be ignored. This data will be ignored over here. Apart from that, the remaining stuff will be displayed over here. Cool. Okay. So instead of so this is the condition that we need to check here. Copy this and let's paste it over here. If we are getting something, if that length is greater than 0, then only we need to display that. So I'm trying to filter apart from this particular ID. If I'm getting any data, then I need to display this stuff. If there is nothing else, I don't need to display this. You might also like this part and everything. So the suggestion part is completed. Now if I click this, that will take the user to this create resume place. This is the place it will take the user, and you can see it's showing resume template one and the stuffs and everything. The URL is looking perfect and it's navigated to the specific screen. Now all we have to do is to go ahead and create that create resume part and everything. That's what we are going to do next.